In this video, I will show you how to reset Roblox Pin. So let's jump straight into it. So if for any reason you can't access your account or you've forgotten your PIN or something like that, there is still a way to reset it. Now, unfortunately, there's no option in your settings to reset your PIN. So it's not like the password. If you forgot your password, you can reset your password. What you need to do is actually submit a form to Roblox. Now, to do that, you want to come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to come all the way down to the bottom of the page. So when you get to the bottom of the screen, you're going to see these different options down here, and what you want to do is go ahead and click on to help just down here. What that's going to do is take you to the help section for Roblox. Now, if you come down to the bottom, you're going to see underneath the promoted article section, there's a article here which says I forgot the PIN. So you want to click onto this. As you can see, it says once a PIN is added to an account, it will be needed to make changes to the account settings. At this time, users and their parents' guardians will not be able to manually reset the PIN if it is forgotten. Customer support will need to assist with resetting forgotten PINs. To reach customer support, please use the contact form. So you want to click this link here to go into the contact form. Then what you need to do is go ahead and fill this form in, send that off, and what's going to happen is Roblox is going to get into contact with you via email and help you to reset your Roblox PIN. So that is how to reset Roblox PIN. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.